I never know what time it is.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at
Just make sure you're spreading the love this year because you all need it.
Oh yeah, why Baku go jumping?
We're not gonna talk about nails tomorrow. I have a nail appointment out of town. I am so freaking excited to get my nails done. I haven't had my nails done in a while. I've been procrastinating it because I just have not been feeling it. Anyways, speaking of pregnancy, my husband and I are parked outside of Target. We're getting ready to go in, and I'm gonna get clothing, even though I might still look at clothing. Majority of everything. And go to the baby section. So, here's the Lolita Dream perfume. Oh my gosh, why does this smell so good? This perfume, guys, I don't really want to talk about it.
Hey you guys, so welcome back to another vlog officially. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, you become a part of all of this chaos. If you're new here, go ahead and enter yourself down in the comment section down below so I can say hello. Hey you guys, I know the vlog part started off super weird. It's my first time actually talking to you guys, so yeah, I'm headed out right now. We'll talk about everything that's happened before this later on in the vlog, but I've got to get to the nail salon because y'all know these nails right here, the story behind these, so I need to go ahead and get them done. I'm gonna go ahead and soak them off and try to push through the acetone. So I have Leah with me, she's in the car already, but today is, if I didn't say, today is January 29th and it's like 12 o'clock, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. I have to go pick up the kids, y'all know that, so let me stop talking and let's go ahead and head over and get these nails done. I'm so excited. Okay you guys, so we just pulled up to the nail salon, so I want to show you guys the before. Hey you guys, okay, so we made it back to the house. It's currently 2:45 right now. I think I got done at like 1:40 at the nail shop. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my nails. Oh, y'all can't see, hold on, let me get some. They're so cute. They're like this powdery pink. What was it called again, Leah? You remember what the name was? With the white tip?
Oh, summer, no.
Yeah, summer something.
Oh, summer
something. So cute, you guys. I love them. I'm gonna give y'all a better look later, but y'all can see. They're so cute. And I got almond shape. Super cute. I think that's gonna be like my new style, like my new shape is that, but. So we are back at the house and maintenance is here. They are fixing the bathroom area, and then y'all, I finally get my door. Not for sure if I told y'all, but they took the door and the laundry door. Check with me. Come on, back.
Continue.
You should.
Yeah.
I mean, and that was, people are interested in stuff like this, so that's gonna be easy to take off.
We ended up, I did it like, I met this group of people over.
It does take a lot of time, especially with like the editing and stuff.
Yeah.
And like, you know, putting the footage together, but like when you see it come together, like at the end, it's like, whoa. And I do vlogs, so it's like at the end, I'm like, dang, we really did a lot of stuff. So it's like, oh.
We're gonna watch it, but we're like, dang, I did that yesterday and a year ago. Why can't I do it, you know?
Right.
Followers and stuff like that, and started my page.
Yeah.
He always tells me, but I'm so busy around the clock.
Yeah. You can get those Ray-Bans, just what are they called? The Meta glasses?
Yeah.
Just put them on.
That's why I bypass it. I go in the designer stores with those.
Yeah, because there's a girl that that I watch. She likes to go into designer stores, but you're not allowed to film in there.
Oh yeah.
So she puts the
shades on.
the glasses that you can record, but they look like shades. So she gets the content that way.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. So maintenance has left. Oh, let me get this out of here. Maintenance is gone. And they put my door in. I'm so excited. The handle is weird. Location, but for the most part, it's so cute. I feel like I want to paint it now. I don't know why. Like, that's the handle right there. And then they painted in the bathroom. This part, I should have showed y'all before, but this the part that they had to paint. And they painted it with the paint color that I had, the Repost Gray from Home Depot. Yeah. But we're about to head out to go pick up the kids from school, so we'll check in with you guys a little later. Hey, you guys. So it is 6:10 and we just got back, basically just got back from picking up the kids from school. Braylon had ASD and Eagles, so he didn't get out till 5:30, and it's currently 6:10 like I said. The kids are doing their whole little after school thingy. I'm about to start dinner. I got some chicken thighs over here. I have some potatoes that I need to cut up and peel, and I'm just gonna throw in some green beans really quick. Shouldn't take too long to make. I kind of I wasn't going to cook, but I decided to go ahead because it shouldn't take me too long. Chicken thighs cook really fast, so let's go ahead and start dinner. I need to show you guys a haul of the stuff that I picked up today because I did not take you guys to the beauty supply store, and I picked up what did I pick up? Let me know in the comment section down below before I do the haul if you know what I picked up today. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys, let me go ahead and do the haul now because I'm pretty sure after I finish cooking, it's gonna be time to get the kids in bed and me to shower and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm boiling some water right now too. I'm not for sure if y'all saw the steam. I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but I had to boil some water for the kids' tub because our water gets so cold so fast now. So I'm boiling on the stove and in this little tea kettle right here. But yeah, let me show you the haul really quick. So I picked up from the beauty supply store, I picked up some more scrunchies because we always need those. I picked up 2 pairs of shoelaces because Braylon always needs those. And then, you guys, I have a date. That sounds funny. I have a date on Saturday. So I got some lashes. I thought these are really cute. Oh, it's upside down. Is it upside down? No. These are from the brand Cherry Blossom, and it says number 940. But I thought they were really cute. I like to keep mine pretty simple. I have very small eyes, so if I get anything too long, it's like I can really see it, and I just want them to look fuller, you know, and more volume. That's what I'm looking for. So I also picked up this one. They are all different. This one is number 903, and these are just a little bit fuller than 940. Yeah, and long and wider for some reason, I don't know. But and then I picked up 912, and these ones I feel like I'm gonna like the best. You see how simple those are? Like, I like when they're like super simple, but then again, I don't want them too small because if you're gonna put on lashes, you're gonna put on lashes, you know what I mean? And then I picked up this little cute little case, makeup case for Chloe, for her brushes and stuff that she got for Christmas. And then I don't know how this got in here, but apparently I picked it up. I don't know, but it's for Chloe too. And then another thing for Chloe, I picked these press-on nails up for Chloe. They're purple and they have charms on them, bows, stars. I don't let her keep them this long. I do cut them down because she is only 11, but you know, kids are different these days. So I always try to remember to get some deep condition bags. So this is all I use it for. They're processing caps, but they're for like the shower caps. But I only use this for when I deep condition our hair. And then I picked up some more lash glue. I love the ones with the brush, not the ones that come out in like a tube, because I can have more like control over how much I put on my lash.
Hello.
And then, speaking of Miss Aubrey, I picked up her some press-on nails. The light is gonna kind of, oh, there you go, you can see it. There's some press-on nails, and they're little charms. You want to tell them what's on it? What do you see? What's on it?
I see a ladybug, a heart, and is that a capybara?
Okay, so apparently she likes them. So okay, and then for date night as well, I got some more earrings from the beauty supply store. And then you guys, since I have $5 coupon, I went ahead and picked up this perfume, and it's called Yara. I guess that's the brand. And the scent is called Candy. And since my name is Candace, I grew up, my nickname is Candy. Candy girl, can, all the things. So I picked this up right here. You guys, it smells really good. It smells very girly to me, very sweet. Doesn't last very long, so I did spray some. The sprayer is good. I love the sprayer. But yeah, it was $6, so, and I had a $5 coupon, so I got it for $1. Okay, so Chloe is calling me right now because her water is cold, so I'm gonna go ahead, and that was the end of the bag, which is perfect timing. I'm gonna go ahead and give her some hot water, and I'm gonna start dinner, and I'll show you guys what dinner looks like afterwards. Okay, all right.
Weeks later, my and howdy. So let me live my own life now. Better. What's doing here?
Listen, I broke up with your...
Well, you see, my perfect sister got to in a movie by It's Lindy. Down below, those are referring to any piece of boy. Yeah, I'll go to today. Yeah, so this video is as well as this play. Hello. I'll make sure that doesn't happen. Things went downhill. Anything happened.
I'll try to keep you from sleeping, huh? We can blame her for being worried.
It's interesting.
Serious? Dude, she's...
Hurry, back before the storm comes. Those two humans. They won't make it back to shore in the city to help them.
The King of Queens, weekday afternoons on CMT.
I have NASH, a serious form of fatty liver disease that's scarring my liver. Serious side effects.
I bet you could bet the whole team.
Okay, y'all, so dinner is done. We got some teriyaki chicken, mashed potatoes, and some glory greens. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat. Good night. Hey, you guys. Happy Thursday, January 30th. Y'all, it's like 3 o'clock right now. I know the vlog is literally probably very crazy. I know, like, I feel like it's super crazy because we really didn't have too much to do. It was kind of like a chill vlog. But let me tell y'all about today. Today was basically pay all the dang bills day. So that's what I did, and then I had to go and start filing my taxes, and then ran into them getting rejected. So now we have to fix that. I don't know why, so we got to figure that out on why. It's always something. And then while I was doing that, Braylon ended up calling. Well, Chloe called for Braylon and said that he was not feeling good and can I come pick him up early. So I was like, oh my goodness. I knew he wasn't feeling well. I heard him cough yesterday, and it was sounding like that cough that I've heard, like, uh-oh, you know, something's about to go down. And then he coughed this morning, and then so on and so forth. So I went to go pick him up early, and since I ended up picking him up early, I went ahead and took the rest of the kids out of school. And yeah, now we made it back home, and now I'm about to go ahead and start doing a little bit of editing. And the kids have school. Braylon doesn't have school because I made him a doctor's appointment for tomorrow, because I'm not playing no games when it comes to Braylon and him being sick and stuff, because it's just not a good look. So I just want to get ahead of it at the moment. So that's what I have done tomorrow. I mean, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. And then my tire, y'all, all this happened today. That's why I didn't pick up the camera, but I kind of wish I did, because y'all would have had a time, okay? But my tire maintenance thing came up on my dashboard. So I called them this morning, and I made an appointment for tomorrow, and that's at 10:45. So I really hope that these don't merge together as far as the doctor's appointment and the tire pressure or tire maintenance appointment don't clash together, because yeah, that will be crazy. Y'all, I love my nails. Maybe I can give y'all a better look. Let me see. Can y'all see them now? Yay! You guys, how cute! I love them so much. They're so freaking cute. I love them. So yeah, you guys, actually I'm gonna go ahead and end out the vlog. I took y'all along for 5 days, give or take, because of everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, please leave this video with a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I upload videos here on YouTube on my channel, lifestyle, mom vlogs, hauls, chit chats, all the things. And I'm going to be adding a couple more, so make sure your bell notifications are on so you'll know every time I upload a video. And you guys, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, you will become a part of all of this chaos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.